So guys, some hard work is there. Our plancha needs to restore before the using on a new season. You can see there are some spot and rust and it has to go off. So first we need to remove the multigrid and separate this part. Okay. It's easily to remove this part and use the whole plancha to grind. Then they grind it in one piece, right? Let's start with the fun. We're gonna grind, so we need the sanding machine, the grinding disc, and guys, don't forget for safety. So there is glasses, gloves, and we can start. As you can see, it has to be done. Just a final touch of oil with a towel and we are ready.